welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a summer coloring and theme, and both of these theme and colorings, they're not made by me, so please don't give credits to me. So unfortunately, I don't have a video to show you guys how the outcome is going to look like, but I don't know how to explain it either. It's kind of like a island paradise coloring. I would describe it like that. But yeah, let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to save a video from TikTok, which I've already done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go onto Instagram, and then we're going to upload our video, and you are going to use the filter Pixie Dust and then save it to your camera roll. Then you're going to come back onto Instagram and you're going to use the filter Ethereal, and then you can just save to your camera roll. Then you're going to go onto Precool, and I will put the settings up on the screen for you guys. So it should look something like this, and then you're going to go ahead and save the video to your camera roll. So there is a lot of sharpen because of the ethereal filter on Instagram, but you can skip sharpen on Precool and Ultralight if you don't like it, because I feel like it does look kind of off. So now we're going to go into Ultralight, and then you're going to put clarity to 10, sharpen to -10, and then you're going to go on to the saturation, hue, and luminosity side, and put hue and the cyan to -10. And it should be very green. So I'm going to skip the sharpen and the clarity just because there's already so much sharpen. But yeah, and then you can just go ahead and save it to your camera roll. Now for the theme, so what we're going to do is we're going to go onto Font, and you're going to use the font Hug Me Tight, if I have it imported in here. Yeah, I do. And you're going to add your stroke. I add a stroke of 20, and then you can add your shadow. And the font I use is Keep on Trucking for my username. And you're going to blend it and put it over to overlay. And then I'm going to put that right here. Actually, I'm going to change the font to Akira Expand. No. And I'm also going to write the date. So today is May 12th, 2022. And then I'm just going to put that at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it to my camera roll. So for this next part, you need some sort of editing app, and I'm going to choose Video Star. So you're just going to import your video. I'm just going to do it from here. But then you're going to click onto Layout, and then you're going to search up Turbulence. You can do whichever one you want. Just make sure it's not too overboard. Because so like your video has a little wave to it, and you can also add like shakes or other things like that, but I'm just going to save that to my camera roll, and then I'm going to add sharpen over top of it so the text quality is good. But yeah, that is basically it for this theme and this coloring. And remember, none of these are made by me, so please don't give credits to me. And yeah, but let's just see how it looks at the very end. So here's how it looks like. You can obviously cut down on the sharpen if you don't like it, but I like the turbulence part of it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!